Yo, what's up guys, this is RB on Two Wheels. Roll the intro. So one of my subscribers asked me what would happen if you accidentally turn off this kill switch here. So for those of you who don't ride motorcycles, or this kill switch here, it helps you in case of an emergency to shut off the bike. Okay, so you can use this to shut off the bike. But what happens if you are in motion, for example on the freeway, and you accidentally hit it and it turns off? Would the bike stop immediately and you end up crashing? So what will happen? We're gonna put it to the test. Okay, so now I'm gonna jump on 101 freeway and we're gonna test it. But what I can tell you is nothing will happen. The bike will just shut off, and the engine brake will kick in. The bike will slow down, but it will not slow down completely to a stop. So we're gonna test that and see how that works, and how you can start it just in case. Actually, you don't need to pull over in order to start your bike. You just need to pull in the clutch and start the bike. So we are going to demonstrate all that, but I'm just giving you a theory. Now we're gonna try to test this this kill switch here. Right, some of them call it engine shut off, some of them call it the killer switch, but I'm gonna stick on the kill switch. Okay, and I will make sure I do it in the highest gear possible. Yeah, the freeway is clear right now, so I'm gonna try to be in the middle lane, lane number 3. Alright, so this is it. Okay, now let us go ahead. As you can see, I'm in gear 6. Okay, right there. So I'm gonna accidentally turn off the kill switch right there. Bam, it's off right there. Now you see the bike slowed a little bit down, but now what I need to do is I just need to press in to pull in the clutch, turn it on, start the bike, and there you're good to go. See, now it's good, it's on. So what you need to do, if that happens, just turn it back on, put in the clutch and push the starter button, and you'll be back in business. As you saw, the bike, the engine brake kicked in, the bike slowed down, but it didn't stop immediately. So what I can say is, if you accidentally turn off your kill switch, nothing is gonna happen. You're just going to lose power. And once you realize that you did that, what you have to do, turn that bad boy on, pull in the clutch. As long as you are in gear, you have to pull in the clutch in order for the bike to start, because if you do that without pulling in the clutch, the bike won't start. So remember, you have to pull in the clutch and then hit the start button. That's it. So I'll see you next time. Let me enjoy my ride.